Hey beauties, it's Daisy here, and today we have this gorgeous straight lace front wig from Hurela hair. You are not gonna want to miss this install because it looks so good, so make sure you stay tuned. Now you know I had to show you guys how the hair looks straight out of the packaging. This hairline is one of the best hairlines I've seen in a while. Like, it's flawless. They plucked this to perfection. Can you see that? And the hair is nice and silky and straight, so it's not going to be a lot of work for me. What I did was just bleach the knots off camera, and the hair is air dried now, so you see how it looks once it's air dried. And of course I got to show you the end, so it's looking a little frizzy, but trust me, I know you've seen that clip in the beginning of the video. We are going to get this hair laid. So something new I've been starting to do, maybe it's new for me but not for others, I am using Gots to Be Glue spray on my hairline before I cut off the lace, because it helps to make sure, well, it helps me make sure that I am not going to cut off any excess hair, because sometimes I may cut a little bit too far up, or there may be a few baby hairs that I could use that were cut off because I didn't do this method. And I am using my hot comb just to get it super straight. I did over bleach the sides a little bit, and I went back in and corrected those off camera. Luckily, I only over bleached the sides, so if you want to know how to correct over bleach knots, let me know and I'll do a video on that. And now we are getting ready to just cut off this lace and then install this bad boy. Of course, if you're not new to my channel, you know I always use Gots to Be Glued. Let me know if you want me to switch up some glue, because this is the only glue I absolutely use. I tried bolt hold glue and extra glue. They're cool, but they just get really tacky, so I don't like to use those. So that's why I always stick to Gots to Be Glued, because you can just add a little bit of water and it's gonna come right off. And I do not go to the pool or anything, so, and it's wintertime, but no, your girl's not going to be in the pool with the lace, so I don't have that problem. So I'm going to stop rambling now, and I want you guys to focus in on this slayage, okay? Just pay attention to what I'm doing, and your lace is just going to be laid.
Y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and wet it down, since I am going outside and it is cold. I just don't want to have wet hair against my body at all. The front is a little bit shorter than the rest of the hair, which I hate. So I don't want it frizzing up at all because I'm not gonna like how that looks. So I'm gonna tame it. I'm just doing this to kind of stretch it since it is only 24 inches. And I'll do the other side next. I'm gonna go ahead and do some baby hair.
And here we have the final look. I love this wig. I've been wearing this wig nonstop since I got it. So if you get it, I know you're gonna love it too. It's so silky and straight and smooth. No tangling, shedding, any of that. So I want to thank Hurela Hair for sending me this hair, and you guys for watching. And make sure you check out my next video. Later.